Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you my recipe for jelly-filled donuts. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. Okay, we're going to begin by adding 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour to our mixing bowl. To that we're going to also add 1.5 cups of bread flour, half a cup of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of yeast, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Along with that, we're also going to be using the zest of half a lemon. Okay, so now we're going to be adding our 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, just lightly melted. Okay, so we're going to begin to mix on low speed. And slowly we're going to add 3/4 cup of warm milk. Now we're just going to allow all of our ingredients to combine together. Okay, so once our ingredients have combined, we're going to turn up the speed to medium and allow it to knead for 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our dough should be ready. So we're going to be transferring it to a lightly greased bowl. Okay, your dough should be nice and elasticy. Now we're just going to roll our dough into a large bowl. Okay, so place it in your bowl. Lightly grease the top. Okay, so now we're just going to cover it. We're going to place it in our warm spot and allow it to double in size, so between 1 to 2 hours. Okay, while we wait for our dough to rise, we're going to make our jelly. So in our saucepan, we're going to add 3 pounds of raspberries, the juice of half a lemon, sugar, that's going to be to taste, and a pinch of salt. We're going to set it on medium heat and allow the sugar to dissolve. Okay, so once the sugar has dissolved, this is what our raspberries should look like. So now we're going to be adding our slurry, and that's just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. We mix it together. Okay, so now we're just going to allow it to come to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, here you can taste it for sugar and see if you want to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're just going to reduce it to the lowest setting. Okay, so now we're just going to allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, and after 15 minutes, our jelly is done, so it should have thickened up. So now we're just going to set it to the side and allow it to completely cool down. Alright guys, so it's been an hour and a half and my dough has doubled in size. So now we can get ready to shape our donuts. So I'm just going to get it out of the bowl. Going to cut it in half. And I'm gonna work one section at a time. Put the other half back. And now I'm just going to relieve all of the air. Okay, and now we're just going to roll it out 1/2 inch thick. Okay, now I'm going to be making my donuts out of heart shape. So we're just going to use our cookie cutter and begin to shape them. Just like that. Okay, so once we have cut them out, we're going to transfer them into a parchment paper in our baking sheet. Okay, we're going to keep our dough covered. Re-roll this dough and allow it to rise again. Meanwhile, we can work on the rest of our dough here. Okay, so once we have shaped our donuts, we're going to keep them covered. Place them back in a warm spot and allow them to double in size one more time. This is going to take between 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, and once our donuts have doubled in size, now we can get ready to begin to fry them. Okay, we're going to set our oil over medium-low heat and allow it to reach 350 degrees. Once ready, we're going to begin to fry our donuts. And we're going to be frying them between 30 seconds to 1 minute per side. So just until they're nice and golden. Okay, after 30 seconds, I'm going to flip it over. And allow that to fry for another 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds, our donut should be done. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab the back of my spoon and put a hole in the middle. Then dip it into cinnamon sugar or powdered sugar. And now we're just going to grab our jelly and fill our donut. So once we have our donuts, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. Yes, it's a little time consuming, but let me tell you that it is definitely super worth it. So I am ready. And of course, you know, you can always use store-bought jelly, but honestly, homemade makes a difference, especially with these donuts here. So, hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And they're super soft, look at that. And these are my favorite. Look at that, so perfect. But of course, you know, my other family members like the one with the powdered sugar, but for me right here, oh, the best. The best. The jelly with the bread, perfect combination. It's not too sweet. To me, this is just very balanced and it's perfect. Oh, so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make some delicious jelly-filled donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.